Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. Are very special. And today, it's a blessed day. I thank God for the gift of life. And thank you so much for clicking today's vlog. Are very special. That being said earlier, today it's another surprise. I want to do a huge more to my sister. And technically, right now, this vlog starts from here. And this is a well organized house, guys. As you can see, well lights, different colors on the wall. Look, man. And try to comment on the comment section. Sometime, man, I came to charge my phone here, and just over here, as you can see. So I'm charging my phone here. So anyway, guys, before I move out today, maybe it's a magic, but it depends on today's videos that I suggest what I'm going to do. So thank you so much by showing me some love, and I'm here to appreciate all work that you've done for me. Man, I'm so grateful. And if you haven't watched my videos, go and watch my yesterday videos. You see how I surprised my African mom with a lot of surprise. And actually, I based on in terms of basic need, stuff that are needed maybe inside the house. Man, I feel so good, and I thank God, and I appreciate for all fans who done for me dream come to reality. And man, don't forget, I'm on the process of coming with a huge project. Like yesterday, I paid the guy $100 for making me around 10,000 bricks. So we negotiated the price was $400, but I pay $100. So I'm remaining with $300. So I can pay him like $50, $60, like that. Oh man. So over here we have TV, we have flowers, man. We have system. We have dispenser for maybe putting water. I'm telling you, here you can wash your hand. Look, maybe right now we haven't pumped water, and technically we have the fans. I'm telling you. So I'll take you outside and see what is. Oh, hey, that place too low, and then close the door. So this is the balcony here, and I'm telling you, it's a bright morning, as you can see outside there. Wow. So technically I'm heading outside, and whoa, so I want to wear my shoes before I move. Oh, these are my shoes here. Wow. So let's see. Wow, we have the motorbike here. And guys, that being said, I'm outside. As you can see, it's a bright morning everywhere. So that being said, in Africa here, farming is our backbone. I'm telling you, these avocado trees over here. We have lanquet trees, although it's not mature, that keep growing up. These lanquet trees. And I think both leaves are used as a source of maybe medicine, you know. Wow, we have the small garden here. We have banana. Man, I'm telling you. Wow. We have, this is tea leaves. So we peel it direct. You put maybe on a black cafe. This one that you see here. And maybe when you have maybe common cold, you are maybe sneezing and all stuff, you do like this. Let me show you guys. I'm coming with another technique. You do like this, and then you sniff, and then your common cold is cutting off. Like, oh my God. If you come one day on my village here, I will show you this one. When you make with black cafe, man, it's add flavor on the black cafe. Anyway, let's go. And over here we have the aloe vera. Sometimes it's a medicine, and it's treat, maybe you have maybe hens, it's treat hens that are which affected by common cold. This one you crush it, and then we mix with a green pepper, and then you give the chicken, which were being affected by the common cold. Wow. So imagine we have another avocado trees here, we have banana, a lot. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. At least we have a small garden, well organized, and we have mango trees. And I'm telling you, at the same time, these mango trees are used as a source of a medicine. I'm telling you. Wow. Wow, guys. We have onion. Look, you see? We have onions. We have orange. This one here, and it's maybe a kind of a magic. We have orange. We have avocado. I'm telling you. Wow, guys. We have sugar cane. Wow. Hey. We have a beautiful trees upcoming. And that being said, this one, you see, they are planted a lot of this stuff, are very unique. So I have already explained. You can maybe peel it direct. You put on a hot black coffee or tea. And over here, guys, you have big banana for cooking, and this one. So this one is meant for cooking, and we have for the one which maybe we maybe peel it and then you keep it until it's ripe. You eat direct. But this one here, you peel it direct, you cook. This one called matoke. Anyway, so let me show you one which meant for maybe ripening one. You see this one? Let me show you. You see this one? This one you cut, you store like couple of weeks or couple of days, and then it's ripe. You eat direct. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. So anyway, today's videos, it's a special video, guys. Don't miss, and maybe hit the notification bell. You'll get my full length of my videos. Wow. And here we have the house for upcoming project, maybe keeping the chicken and all stuff. You see, this maybe is a weld ventilation, and this is a wire mesh. Go that way and all stuff, man. I'm telling you, this is the door. Wow. In our village here, if you doesn't have something to do, maybe a small project and all stuff. Wow, guys, we have the pumpkin. Wow, the pumpkin leaves. And another way, these are veggies. You peel it and then you cook. When you mix with milk, man, it tastes sweet. This one here. And when I was a kid, I'm telling you, I love these veggies. Imagine, they are two in one. You eat fruit, you eat leaves. Like you eat these leaves. And right now, although there's no maybe those fruits. Wow, guys. I'm telling you, at the same time, we have kales here. These kales. And I'm trying to come with another method. I want to construct a small kitchen garden for my mom to have maybe kales, to have onions, to have tomatoes. And I have that idea, but it's coming soon. And guys, drop the sweet comments. What do you think about today's videos, guys? Wow. And this guava tree is here. You see, I'm telling you, fruits it can't miss maybe in your compound like this. This guava, although it's not ripe, and at the same time, these leaves, when you peel it and then you dry it, you crush. So when you cook, when you prepare your tea, you'll be able to add. It acts as a tea leaves. This one here, guys. So like when, for example, this one it's dried, you crush into powder form, and then when you prepare your tea or your milk tea or your black coffee, you put this one here. It acts as a source of tea. Instead of maybe using tea leaves, you can use this guava's leaves when you crash into powder form. I'm telling you guys, drop on the sweet comment, and if I'm wrong, go and Google the importance of tea leaves, and you'll get to know more about tea leaves from the guavas right here, guys. Wow, let's go. Wow, this is a beautiful house, and I'm telling you, woo. Wow guys, you see over here we have beautiful trees. And guys, I think when I'm create a walkway to my toilet, beside and aside, I want to plant these trees, these flowers, and it's a trees, but at the same time it's flower and well trimmed. You see, like going this way, look, well trimmed. Wow. So we shall meet on the next videos when I'm heading to Border Town, guys. Hi guys, I left this place and I'm going to use my baby right now. So that being said, if you know the thing, guys, you have already know. Oh. We close the gate like this, the privacy. We have a nice house over there. Okay. Somo. That. I'm greeting them. We have a nice house here, guys. You see that one there. We have cow. We're heading to the Buhans right now, and technically after this maybe I'll go to Border Town. We have banana ripe one over there. Wow. This is a church. And technically this is where my sister land. We have a school here. You see? Where my sister and brothers land over here. Wow. Look. Beautiful scenery. Look guys, I'm telling you. Wow. The car being tight alongside the road over here. So I see congrats dad pulling the grass. Boia. É que hora? Até agora. Oh guys, I supposed to come out of the motorbike because they were been cutting trees. You see? So maybe no motorbike passing here. Oh, guys, I try to keep running to catch this guy. Oh. Wow, guys. It is what it is, guys. So today it's a special videos ever. So now this is how Nyabuhansi looks before you go to the small center here. Wow guys, so this is Nyabuhansi market all the way. This is some small market here. You see guys, this is Nyabuhansi. Fresh. This one goes to Mr. Gake's home. Wow. I'm telling you. And guys, today I'm going to purchase a beautiful toy for my sister, and I surprised her the first time. Kids are riding bicycle. Let's see what that one. Sorry for that, but finally I'm going to see the videos which are coming soon. My baby here. My baby here, and we're at town right now. Guys, sorry for the windy, but it depends, maybe early morning. We have a nice restaurant upcoming over there. I'm telling you, see that view? That view, man, look. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you, kids are riding bicycle. Mura, utabebani bodyboard. Sudah ni bebe moja hapo. Tembea bahiki ya board, tembea bareka. Hayo bebe. Hivi tuko sawa. Sawa ni nje mimi. Kaa hapa. Guys, njoo. So shuke. Shukani kubebe bana, twende. Naenda board. See guys, the crazy situation. Mnabebana hivyo tu. Shukani basi, nisaidie mmoja twende. So shuke. Wow, so I want Oya. Mwenye baiskeli. Sikasimame maana kanaenda na haraka. Njoo. Guys, let me show you how this kid were being carried by the bicycle. Imagine. Ulikuwa umekaa wapi bana? Guys, that's a crazy situation here. This is a crazy situation. Imagine. Hapa ndo ulikuwa umekaa. Hapa. Kaa tuone. Guys, I want to assist him. One of them to sit here. Hivyo tu. Kaa hapa basi twende. Wewe tangulia na baiskeli. Unashukia wapi? Hapo tu Sibani. Kaa basi nikusaidie. Si mbaya. Guys, I want to help him and that one will be enjoy. Oh. Okay, let's go. Imagine guys. I help him guys. Free of charge. And that young boy coming with a bicycle. Hey, mwenye pole pole. I'm telling him come slow. It's tough. But guys, right now we are heading to a ceremony, maybe circumcision ceremony, and I don't want to show people. Guys, this is my sister opened for me a gate. But today I have a special gift to my sister, and I want to say thank you so much. She doesn't have any clue about. You see the way she keeps quiet. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my sister. And anyway, guys, today it's a special day, and at the same time, when I brought my sister some special gift ever. But I'm telling you guys this something. Every time I want to done some huge role model to my sister today, and at the same time, I'll go and check my plumber making for me. There is some small mistake here. This tap doesn't bring water out. Means that maybe inside there are maybe some breakage or block. inside on this tap here, maybe here. I think there's some problem here at the back. So that is it. And you can see my mom, they tried to wash small roundery, my sister's clothes, my brother's clothes, man. And then we have the shoes here for my brother. I'm telling you, this is where I'm coming from, this is where I'm calling home. And I'm so grateful to be here, and I'm so excited to be born and raised on this beautiful family here. But guys, all the struggle of my life, I'm trying maybe to change this family slowly, guys. That you see, and that's my house. That's the cow's house, and the life with my mom and my dad starts on that house, old house that you see there. We have the history of that house. And even me, guys, I was born on that house before we migrated to this house when I was a kid. But I have the memory, and then one day I'll do a story of that house when I'm demolish everything down. So I want to go, oh, this is my shoes here. I want to go inside to see some stuff that I want to take right now. And try to imagine, guys. Oh, so this is my house, and I came to take something inside here, and then I'll go to Border Town after that. Man, I'm so tired, but I'm trying my best. So after that, I'll go to the hardware. I want to confirm whether there is tiles for the walling of my toilet. So I'm going to check them. Maybe tomorrow I'll make a videos purchasing tiles. But first, I want to confirm. If I'm not getting there, I'm trying maybe to migrate for another hardware. But hopefully, let's see. Let's see, guys. Well, guys, so right now I want to wear my shoes like this, and the tiles which are remaining is one box here. So I'm going to add the man that I have. I'm going to add around let me say, last time I had 14, so right now I'm going to add 12 boxes. But I'm going to make some confirmation whether I can get that boxes. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
So today, mom, maybe guys, I might keep quiet, or I say to my mom. So today, mom, I have a special gift to my sister, but I don't want to say right now here. Yes, I don't want to say right now here. You will see. Special. That's my mom. Okay, guys, before I go, I remind something new. So I have the pup here, known as Bruno. Bruno. Mama fungulia umbo. Tewa na maningi kusunya wasengi. Bruno. Ayari kibere labda. Bruno. I call my puppy Bruno. Bruno. What's up, Bruno? What's up, man? Kneel down. Oh, this is my Bruno. Oh, Bruno. Hmm? Bruno. Ani mambo yere kuma kukuru kunhan.
Chintarangura.
Bruno.
Ayogore omo.
Bruno. So today, guys, I'm going to buy some solid soap, and then I want to wash that puppy because today have the sun. Bruno. Yeah, Bruno, my puppy, man. Bruno. Tokumanu erike beruwe. No kugutu no kana kikeho. Aigoto mai kugutu hai. Ma kugutu kono ehe. Ntia eba hai.
Erore kama manyi ngusini kala ya.
Kebere. Bruno. 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 That's my part, man. Right. Have the beautiful cow. Before I move here, but I was going to Border Town and then I forgot something. I came. Go back, Bruno. Go back, Bruno. Bruno. They are running good that way, guys. So guys, that being said, earlier I was going to Border Town but I forget something, and anyway guys, I escorted that kids where they supposed to be going, and then I came back. Right. So wow, so let's go. You will see where I'm heading to. Today is a special day to my sister Eva, and I'm telling you guys, this is my brother here. Wow. So for me, I'm feel so grateful to support my family, and you've been there. Family, guys, I'm praying, guys. See that view? That's my neighbor's place who make for me some bricks. We have the bohol over there. Wow. For me, I feel so good when I made a huge road to my family. And I want to say thank you so much. But keep supporting me. Keep supporting me, you know. And oh. Wow. So right now we are heading to Border Town. Oh, we have the maze. And guys, the fact thing about my village, everywhere that I pass, you see green nature and all stuff. You know what I mean? Look like this. Yeah, because you have the sharp corner here. Past hoods. Wow, look. Right, left, green everywhere. And in fact, Africa, the land that you love, full of nature. Wow. Today guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? But I will let you to know in the end of the video. You will see the reaction from my sister. I'm telling you. Wow. We have the beautiful house over there. You see the house? Hey, I hope you can see them. Wow. We have the beautiful shop here. See this shop? We came maybe recent time before maybe I make another huge shopping to my mom. We came back there purchasing sugar, bread, mandazi, sometime. Kids alongside the road. So that's Carl Joseph's home, but I will show you. You see over there, when you go this way, you are going to Carl Joseph's home. Yeah, this road going to Carl Joseph's home. You see that house? Wow. African school for young children. Well guys, so this is Border Town, and you can see how people improve small business. You see over there? Wow. We have the police station here. known as Kenya Police Hispania over here around. Wow. Black man cell phone. Whoa. They make chair, beds, selling timber and all stuff. Car wash over here. Bongo kwe kuone shirt. Sold shoes. Imagine guys making nice chair, bed, and all stuff. Telling you. Right. Look at this. I'll come and then check the tiles there. Wow. Tukurera kana hizi ndio. Sikota hiyo. Bado dabade kuchari. Sikucha hapa kwanza confirm price ya radio. Kana ndio nigante na maji. Akara Roma ngombi. Sike. Agazi kuta mirbe mo ya sika hapa rangu ni banya ndo mere. Akara have the bank here. Stand. Ada bogo toko boka tusuri. Wow. Hey. So this car going this way. Tabong. See that one? I'm telling you, this is a business town. I don't know. Oh guys, so I'm just around on this beautiful town, and I'm trying to buy my sister some toy around here. Let me see. I'm telling you, so I need it for the 500. Okay, let me come this way. See, for my sister, I like to buy this toy. See this one. So most of the time my sister maybe took some, maybe pretend like a baby. Oh, ayaniuzia huyu? Wow. 3K choka already. Hello. Ndo unatoka hapa juu. Oh guys, so we company with Dave Jr. around here, and I'm looking for a nice toy for my sister. Sasa mara zote zinafanana.
Hazifanani, ziko tofauti. Yao ni wa Afrika
Shao gani wa Afrika? Oh guys, I want to make the same color. Let me place it. Maybe. Oh guys, I want to see the good color. Which did you prefer? Guys, we have two categories. We have African, and we have maybe those white people. I'm trying to prefer for my sister, which is which. Woo. Anyway, guys, this one don't want to see. Mana haka hakakai. You have 2 in 1. I'm telling you. So between this and this, guys, which do you prefer for maybe for your prince? And when I'm saying my prince is my sister. Dada mbona huwa akai? Huyo unasema juu akai.
Huyo akai. Unaweza chukua hata huyo anakaa. Hata huyo anakaa wapi? Hata huyo anakaa.
I look a good toy for my sister. Look at this one here. Wow. Maybe it's flexible. I want to know. Right. Let me see from my eye. Oh. Look at that one and this one here. Maybe for my sister. I prefer this one. We have 3 categories. This one and this one. This is rich. Let me see, maybe this one. It can't stand, guys. And some are shoes. This one has a shoes. And I want to see whether it's sitting down like this. We are on a car. It's a crazy situation with this toy here, guys. Look at this eye. This. Anyway, guys, let me take this for my sister. And maybe next time I'll come to see another one. So guys, for me right now, let me choose this one because this one they are 2 in 1. So this one they can sit and stand, but this one only to sit. Look like a baby and it's so heavy. Whoa. Let me see this side. Haya macho yanacheza cheza. This one. I hold for my sister. Hadi wanasimama dada. Aye dada. We mteja? Anasimama?
Huyo hawezi simama peke yake.
Maana nipo.
Huyo anaketi lakini.
Jaribu tu tuone. Takuchangia bora kwa kusumbua tu. Juu macho yake inarudi tu chini unaona.
Si analala na anaamka.
Msimamishe nione tu.
Chini. Chini.
So I want to see on this one here.
Pia anasimama.
Mbana asimame. Asimame tumtenza asimame nyo. Oh. Wow. And this one only sit. Ama nikiweka chini nikipata.
Hiyo itasimama.
Uni kukaa. Guys. Oh, this is a small baby. Guys, advise me on the comment section. Which one do you prefer? So today I want to surprise my sister with a beautiful toy, guys. Oh. Mana dada damu inakataa nichukue. Bei hii
3000.
na hii ya chini
The same price.
ukipunguza Ukipunguza utiga maskani.
29,
22. Tigae kongaka mono. Guys, sorry for the vernacular language. We try to know the price for the toy. Nifanye unajua naenda Sirari jamani.
Kweli.
Naenda Sirari tena na pikipiki.
Karibu baba.
22. Guys, it goes to $40. Wana napigiwa simu. Aye.
350 bado.
22. Ningempelekea huyu. Wewe kuona kwako unaona mgani?
Gani?
Wow.
Hiyo ni
We had another business here. Ndo nimefika. Sasa hizi barabara ni nyingi. Ndo nimefika hapa kwa hii hosi. Ndo nimefika kwa hii hosi hapa juu. Nimefika kwa penye tulifika tukasimama. Nitapotea.
59.
Si ndo nimefika hapa hosi. Aya, airada. Mgani ndo unaona mzuri? Unajua mimi ningekuja na dada yangu ndo angechagua.
Sasa wewe ndio utaniambia Mwafrika mwenye anatufanana.
Mimi haina haja na Mwafrika.
Basi chukua mzuri.
Unajua macho yake yanacheza cheza.
Huyu macho yake inacheza juu, ukimweka analala, ukimweka hivi anaamka.
Guys, I'm so confused with this toy here. Je, nimpelekea sema mimi sitaki huyu. Mimi sitaki huyu. Punguza basi unipe mdori.
Nimekwambia 29
ndio. 29 haya maskani yangu. Afu unajua all the way from Sirari.
Thank you.
Kumbe hii ni sponge ilikuwa shika.
Hii ni sponge hiyo si haya.
Haya. I give you 22. Kashma. So acha kweli.
Unajua huyu anapanga bakery juu ya
nini?
Si ardhi, si kama hawa.
Huyu ni same na huyu.
Ni same.
Anipunguzie. Sitaki usije useme kama nilienda nikakudanganya narudi.
Hapana, ukweli.
22. Okay. Let's be 2500 to be honest. Yaani hapo kikataa. Imagine all the way from Sirari. Nimekuja hadi hapa kutafuta mdori. Nilienda Migori, vidogo. Ama basi sio hivyo. Hapo hivi kwa maaskari hapo hivi kwa kituo cha maaskari hapo government office. Tunauza madoli hapo. Sijaenda kuulizia.
Kabisa. Ukweli wewe enda ulizie usikie. Ukweli 24 bado.
2500.
Basi leta
25.
Basi leta 28.
I swear ilikuwa 22. Nimeona kwamba maybe ile ya kukalia tu sitting around unakata ushuru.
Then, hata mimi natafuta.
Guys, I'm telling her because of maybe tax and all stuff. Let me give her we calling 30 USD. Okay. Wewe nipe tuko yope 25. Guys, this is an imagination how a toy can speak. All right. I give you 2600. Sasa usiniumize hapa. 26 sababu ya haraka nimepigiwa simu 26. Okay guys, I pay. Okay, nifungie sasa. Hapo ndo utanifungia kweli?
Unataka nikuwekee?
Na imagine niko na mtoto kijana sasa. Next
acha nikuwekee basi kwa hii.
Aniweke tu kwa hii, acha tu
nikuwekee kwa hii ama
kwa hii. Guys, my sister will enjoy. Ndio madam yangu ikimkatalia huyu. Ama wote wanalia?
Huyu analia, huyu.
Right, I will surprise my sister with this toy, guys. Right guys, so I pay her some money here for the atoshika hira. Nipe change niende. It's 28. Wewe achio 26.
Peke yake. Ukweli.
Ukifanya hivi ukweli.
Naona hata next time pia wewe
ukija
hapa Kisii unipate ni
sitawahi kuja. Hata ndio ufanye hivyo style.
Hata ukienda ulize hiyo
nipe basi 50 nikuachie wengine.
Sasa 50 usinde na wewe
nipe 50 tu.
Mtoto wangu ndio napelekea.
Anapigiwa simu, nipe 50 jamani. You are so expensive.
No, I'm not expensive.
Okay, thank you.
Haya, thank you too.
Okay. Haya. Mtoto wangu kijana akiwa nitamnunulia zingine.
And they say how for it.
Oh guys, because of time and I bought this for my sister. So right now I'm heading back home. Right. Let's see. You know? So I surprised my sister and I'm telling you. So right now I'm in Kiss. Right. If you thought you were there. Wow. Let's go. Business everywhere. Oh. Business everywhere. Business everywhere. Wow. So that's an incredible story.
Wewe endeza gari bwana. Endeza gari watukuitia polisi.
Let's go. Because of time and everything. Oh guys, let's go. Oh, this is like a street over here. I'm telling you. You see this is a mall, a kind of a mall right now here. Wow. I'm in Harris, I'm telling you. Wow. Let's go. See the salmon man here. Wow. Other construction going over there. And imagine I bought this toy around $40. So maybe tomorrow I will surprise my sister. Tomorrow, guys. Wow. Wow. We have a nice house, tall building, I'm telling you. Oh. Let's go. Oh guys, so I'm new here and then I found some small kids are very friendly to me, honestly. And guys, I need to talkative, so I need to surprise them. Yeah, with maybe some small juice. Huyu ni wa nani? Patia hiyo. Msiende msubiri hapa. Pia huyu.
Nipe huyu.
Huyu.
Hiyo ni wen?
Hiyo ni gati.
Gati. Pia na huyu. Msiende. Guys, I'm trying to surprise the kids here. And I'm in Kisii, so I came to purchase for my sister a toy and then I met the kids, guys. You know, it's a kind of a blessing. Hi, you umekuwa ngapi?
Imekuwa 180.
180. Kuna hii biskuti ya 5. Wow. And then maybe guys, I give them the biscuit. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, guys. I'm new here and then I met friends. Like young kids. I'm telling you.
Enjoy nimesimwaga sana.
Msiende. Asa mama pateni huyu kijana wako.
Huyu.
Ni kijana wako. Amenipata in good way. Imekuwa shilingi ngapi juice? 60 times 3 times 4.
60 times 4 that is
240.
plus 20.
Okay, pesa ndo hii. Imekuwa 260. Nipewa kijana. Imekuwa 260. Pesa mama 10. Mungu wangu. Ngoja niangalie kama niko na kuni. Guys, this is my small toy for my sister.
Unaambia ngwaje? Namwambia aje? Pia amewanunia soda.
Nipatie nipe 40.
Mwambie thank you.
Thank you.
Guys.
Okay.
Haya.
Wow. Unataka kunywa? Yafungulie mkunywa. Tayari kufungulia. Haya, tueni biskuti basi. Mama utakuja wafungulia. Ngoja aje kuwafungulia. Unaitwa Gati. Mwita. Na huyu ni Lucky. Guys, this is Lucky. This is Gati. This is Mwita. And Mwita and Gati is a vernacular language. Vernacular name, I mean. Lucky. And guys, sorry, I know kids are not allowed to show in social media, but when I was outside, he came to me, he greeted me, make friend to me, and I want to say sorry maybe to put kids on social media, but I show you what I go through. Mom, ndio wafungulie. Wewe ushafungua. The way I love my sister, I show maybe some love to other kids from another mother, from another sister, you know. Ofungulie mama. Guys, that is Kissy. Wow. Utole na biskuit. Enda mamia kutole. Aya, asanti. Mwita. Kwa heri. Dada mbani kama nilikonaga Sirari. Unajua ndio maeneo kwenda huko. Mbona watoto wanaitwa Mwita, Gati?
Ni wao kutoka lakini si Sirari.
Wapi?
Kianja.
Sina kabeke maeneo Kianja. Ni sawa, mimi natoka Sirari.
Natoka Sirari.
That's the mother for Mwita and Gati. Alright, so I'm waiting David Jr. to come and then we can tune to our journey, man. Imagine I surprised my sister with this, with a toy inside here. Woo! And I'm keep waiting. Imagine, I can't wait to surprise my sister. Guys, look, you see that beautiful toy, and it has some sound. You heard? Let me show you. Oh, just a minute, guys. I wanna show you. You heard? Just a minute, guys. Oh, okay, let me take out. You see this one here? And you heard, guys? Wow, guys, world come with different technology, and imagine, guys, I surprised my sister with a beautiful toy, guys, ever. So I can't wait to share with her. But when I'm go back home, you will see the reaction. More surprises are coming to my mom, maybe by tomorrow. So today it is so maybe it's on rain right now. You can see the cloud and all stuff. So we shall meet you maybe when I reach back home safely with this toy. Imagine, all the way from Sirari to Kissy, I found a brand new toy. I'm telling you, you can see even the label. Written Mayu Mayu baby. Alright. And right now, since I wake up in the morning, my sister, she doesn't have any clue about it. But for me, I surprised my sister like crazy. So look, even the dress. And maybe I'll make more dress for my sister, maybe to change the toy and all stuff. Oh, I can't wait to see my sister's reaction and even my mom's reaction. But hopefully by tomorrow It's special videos ever. It's surprise by surprise, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Well, guys, so right now I'm back home, and this is the surprise to my sister. And actually, guys, I went to Kisii, I bought this surprise, and guys, I'm so grateful. I found a nice toy for my sister, and I really appreciate. Imagine this are inside here. All right, so right now I think I'm heading home, so she doesn't have any clue. Like the way I done yesterday to my mom, I do silently, and then I call my mom, and then you see the reaction. So today, thank you so much for gifting my sister a nice toy ever. And for me, man, I feel like it look like a baby, but it's an imagination by itself. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching these videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Love is for free. Low to 6K subscribers, I appreciate. So I'm heading this way, and then I'm going back home, because I went to Border Town, I didn't found. You know, I went to Migori, I didn't found. And then I supposed to sacrifice myself. I went to Kisii town, and it's a wild town. I found this toy inside here, and it's kind of imagination. I don't know how my mom will treat me, maybe for the first time, but hopefully you will see the reaction. And I think even my sister, she will be smile a lot. Let's go. I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you. Wow. All right, so let's go and see. I'm heading this way. Imagine, she doesn't have any clue, but I'm trying to pass inside here with this surprise. So that being said, earlier you will see the reaction. Wow. Wow. It's an amazing day. What a good day for my sister Eva. Anyway, guys, I'm the firstborn, and I need to show my young brother and sister to be, you know, on a good role model. So let's go. Guys, are you ready to see a reaction from my sister? Let's go. I'm heading this way, and it's a kind of a bright day, as you can see. Wow. It is what it is, and I want to show you. Wow. And at the same time, I'm going to check my plumber today. They came and check some errors to my to my tank. Wow. Whew, I'm so tired, man. I'm so tired like a goat. I'm tired. I see my sister from the far end. Man, I'm so grateful. What I'm going to do with my family, I'm so grateful. And guys, you've done a lot for me by watching my videos, subscribing, and I feel so good at one point. And because without you guys, my family couldn't maybe put something on table. Without you, my sister maybe couldn't get a nice toy like this. But it's God's plan, and I thank Monkia to give me a bike, or to buy for me a bike. So it's helped me a lot, 100%. It helped me a lot, because maybe like yesterday, I went to Border Town, I used my bike. I went everywhere, I used my bike. You know, when maybe it's school day, sometime I escort my sister in the morning, go back to school every morning. when it's so late and it's far from here, I escort my sister daily. But right now in Africa, most of the schools are being closed, so we have 2 good months for the students to stay around at home or their homes, and then maybe by January, I think January date 8, he will be open the school or resuming to the school. Wow. I was working with this surprise. Sometime I think whether my sister could maybe take, it's a magic, a baby toy, and maybe to do these things as a village boy toward my village sister. I don't know how maybe their friend could maybe treat my sister just like crazy. This I'm calling home, and I thank God. How you can see my home, very clean, very clean. The way my mom was being hardworking and a smart mom, I recognize on that 100%. Trust me. So I was showing my sister from the far end, enjoying on that shed. Actually, it's maybe swinging or what, doing what, things like that. Wow, that's my mom's cow over here. Look. Wow. And the fact thing about our cow are not aggressive, I'm telling you. Right now they take everything, they eat, they do all stuff. Wow. So I'm just showing you my village, how it looks like in camera and all stuff. I'm showing you how many cows that we have. Man, I'm telling you, for my mom, I recognized 100%. My mom, she was working so hard. Imagine to have like 2 or 3 cows. It's not easy. But my mom do a lot of work to make sure that he bought 1 cow, which is over there, and then give birth to other cow, which I showing you for the first, and then for the third, for the second. But automatically we have 3 cows, and then recently time we are showing you how another cow bring a new baby. That's my grandma home over there. Umepotelea huku?
Nazunguka tu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you introduce me?
My name is Felix. Felix Wambura.
Your name is Felix?
Felix Wambura. Yes, I'm from nearby village, Duvesco. I'm just
1 what?
1 acre fund. 1 acre fund.
1 acre fund.
Yes.
Hey. We're just loitering around the village.
Yes, I'm just taking a walk.
Yes. I'm telling you guys, most of the schools are being closed, and one of them is this one here, going around the village, breathing fresh air. Okay, you just go, bro.
It's nice time.
Okay, thank you. Wow, you see? And then over here, we have we call it sweet potatoes vein. This one that you see here. And that being said, that's my grandma home. That one house that you see there. Oh. I was working with this surprise, but hopefully, let me see the reaction for my sister. I might maybe kept quiet until the day reach, or I gave her randomly, guys. Whoa! But it's upon me, and it's upon. But I didn't promise my sister. I told my sister I have some special things for you. He didn't know what's something special. Maybe I can buy her like a pencil. And anyway, before I give my sister this stuff, I bought for her full packages of pencils, and then I'll let to show me that pencil full. I think last week. Imagine. There's a time I bought for him sandals. Looks like, meant like shoes. And then she enjoyed. I made a video. And then today I surprised her with a beautiful magic toy. Imagine. That being said, in this world, things change. People come with different technology, you know. Like on my childhood, I was taking maybe, like I'm pretending I'm driving a bicycle or a motorbike or a vehicle. When I'm driving like a vehicle, I took the lead for the basket and then I do like this, woo, I run. Or I took a tire for motorbike. Imagine those back years. When I see maybe the kids, maybe for my neighbor, have maybe when I go to Nyabuhansa there, when I see the kid have a good tires, maybe for the vehicle tires or motorbike, I make sure that, guys, sorry for this, I make sure I steal from them and then I run. But those another story, maybe back years. But right nowadays, things change. Maybe your kids need toy, you must go to the market looking for, and maybe if he or she need any toy, whether it's a boy, you can go to the market, purchasing maybe a car, a ball, and all stuff, so many. But if she's a girl like my sister, you need to purchase a baby toy, you need to purchase, well, there are so many things, kind of toy, but it depends. It's according to your choices, which maybe you're supposed to buy for your sister. And for me, when I'm trying to make some changes toward my family, maybe including to my sister, guys, I need to support my sister until when becoming an adult. I will make sure she will finish school, and also with my brother. At the same time, guys, don't forget, maybe I'm back to my family history. So at the same time, I took my brother to school. Right now he'll become on December, and then when he come back home, I will make a video. So it's almost 4 months. So he went on the month of let me say 3 months, because he went to the month of September, October, around 4. So it's September 1, October, November, and December. So 4 months good, stay in school, and then sometime I make sure that I take shopping to him. I made a video, and then I'll see how my brother may be doing good in academic. And also, guys, I feel good at the same time. My sister brought a good result toward my mom, and I really appreciate that. You see this house over here? Wow. What did you think about in the comment section? It's a small, well-organized house. Look, you see? At the far end. Wow. Me, I'm going down there, and then I go around passing that way because I want to show you how my village looks like before I take this something to my sister, and you will see. Wow, look, that is it. Wow. Aho maraundi ndenda suri abantu mono. You see that house, guys? It's a 3-bedroom house over there. Balance stones. Hey, job unde. Hey. Ni kuchongonem. Atatu kamaroma, mwenke mutuna mwini.
Come on.
Oh. So they want to plant kales. We called skilled labor. You know, maybe most of African, 100%, they have different skills. We use manpower, we use machine. We have papaya. And I carry me a mon. We have another papaya. We don't call popo, we call papaya.
Papaya.
Karo ndache ngota chiri chiri.
Antaka turi gentu kiri gonzo. Ayo pono kwanza anko goto. Asana na nyara na bitora hawo. Kira kore I design to kuma.
Narcho kimi.
Tasora turi gentu renge. Samo hawo shua. Kuma.
This is Makoshi. You call it Koshi or Makoshi?
Not Makoshi, I'm Dogonyanya. I changed my YouTube channel. Yeah, I changed my YouTube channel because I see that the name I was using, it was convincing people, but now I'm Dogonyanya.
Dogonyanya?
Yeah.
Guys, nyanya is a Swahili word, means tomato.
Tomato. I'm a tomato seller by now, and also I'm a farmer. My farm is called 001 farm.
Right now, this is your farm?
Yeah.
And then you want to plant sukuma wiki?
I want to plant sukuma wiki, which is that we call in our culture ibisagia.
Ibisagia means suckers. There's some two different ways of kales. One can bought direct from the agrovet. You come and then maybe you do a nursery and then you plant the seeds, you watering some couple of maybe days or week. It depends the time. And then second, we have direct kales. You plant the suckers and then try to maybe coming up with some stems for the suckers. Like this one here. You see? These are suckers, guys. Here. Maybe Manyanya will show you how they, Dogonyanya will show you how they plant. And then we go.
You see by now, this is how we prepare it before we plant. Yeah? Because you know this we are planting, what do you call it, suckers? Suckers, if you don't do it like this, you have seen,
yes, you put on the ground.
Yes, you put on the ground.
Okay, you can show people on the rest. Ama hizo wendi kupanda.
Hizi naenda kupanda. Yes, sasa sina.
Okay, the way he do like this one here.
Yeah, sir.
Imagine deep on the ground. Okay, tavarki pano kivurukia kuini.
So I'm taking there from there and I add these ones there.
It stay there like couple of days, like 1 week or 3 days.
1 week.
1 week.
It takes 1 week, don't you see?
Hey.
It's a lot. I do
a lot.
And then after here, in a cool, dry, not in a dry place.
In a cool, dry place.
In a cool place, not dry place. In a cool.
And then you cover with the maybe grass.
With whatever it gives you, whatever.
To retain the coolness.
Yeah. This is how we make. This is how our easiest method is. And this is, remember to show them, this is what we call tundanyanya. Tundanyanya means tomato fruit. And it's very sweet, very sweet. Okay. If you want this one, welcome to
I know your place.
001 place. You'll get several types of fruits, vegetable, bananas, also
some bananas,
also chills here. Don't you see? These are chills.
Ini piri.
Yeah, these are chills.
We called green pepper.
Green pepper, yeah. Green pepper. Yeah, thank you very much. These are green pepper.
Yes.
So by now I'm preparing this to get what we call mbegu. How do we call it in English?
Okay, it dries some couple of days and then we get some seed. We plant many of them.
Thank you
Maybe this
very
one
much.
it can produce around 100 green pepper.
More than 100.
More than 100.
You see? So I'm preparing. There is two types of green pepper. There's this one and this one.
The small one.
The small one.
This one.
And that one. Yes. And here we have, this is what we call
aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
Guys, on today's video, you will know the importance of aloe vera. Let me show you. Maybe this is the second time.
This is aloe vera. Original aloe vera. I want to plant it in my farm. But I have not yet planted, but I want to plant it now. This is aloe vera. And this aloe vera, guys, I hope you know what is aloe vera and what is the job of aloe vera, isn't it? Okay. Thank you very much. If you want aloe vera, welcome to 001 farm.
Okay.
Or Dogonyanya farm.
Dogonyanya will come.
You'll come to my
farm. Hey, can I guys, let me show you a little bit how they plant that kales or the suckers from the kales, and then I can't wait to share with my sister. There's some surprise here to my sister. Wow.
Hello guys, so we are taking them to plant. This is our first day. Remember guys, to view every some few days in
Hello baby.
In Hello Baby's channel because he's my neighbor. And he'll also visit my shamba or my farm every time. So I'm Dogonyanya.
Dogonyanya.
Yeah.
Okay, show people how we plant.
That's how we planted this one. So I'm starting, guys. Before we start, we have to thank God.
Okay.
And say, God, thank you very much, God, for what you have done for us and the days you have made us to do this job. Please bless this job, bless this farm.
Yes,
001.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So I'm starting. Oya bro, mbona umeingia kamba tena umetoka? Nilikwambia nyoosha kamba brother. Umetoka? Mamunur maru siringa tekatere. Guys, we are speaking in our language.
Just a minute. People are calling.
Just a minute. Just a minute. So I wait.
Yes, guys. So I received the call. Hello. Ngoja nimalize kidogo nikuje. Nipe 20 minutes alafu nampelekea na simu. Nakuja nikuambie, nipe 20 minutes. Sawa, nakuja tu saa hii.
Wai mukira rusiriru yiga kido. Ma, reta bari niga kido.
Alright guys. So that's my neighbor calling me, and after this, okay. Dogonyanya, let me go.
You are going?
Yes,
Thank
that's
you.
how we plant.
This is how we plant. We must put it like this to make a corner.
Okay, thank you.
You're right.
Wow guys, maybe okay. Maybe guys, when I pass here, maybe for this, maybe another day I will show you how these scales have been maybe coming out like crazy. But right now, let me take this surprise toward my sister. She haven't no idea, and she was relaxing home to end the day for today, and today is date 15. Maybe it's a blessed day toward my sister. So today's all videos I'm done. It's concerning through my sister. I made a huge role model toward my sister. I show my sister some love 100%, and for those who made it possible right now, I can't mention your name, my sister, to have a toy like this. May God add you more day, more blessing, more day in this world. So through your support, I managed to purchase my sister a good toy. They're inside here, guys, but I don't want to open right now on my village here. But when in town, I buy, you see the video. But when I'm coming to my village, I lock. So I don't want maybe to hold like without tightening them, and maybe some villagers will look what I'm carrying for. Well, you know, so I don't like, because these are secrets I and my sister, and maybe with my mom. So I lock like this. Hey guys, hello. Hey, yeah, nilete na nini? Acha kunisumbua wewe, acha kunisumbua kabisa, acha kunisumbua. Umesikia? Yaani next week unakuja bado unakaa tu kunifanyisha vitu kama mwenye uko 3 weeks. Wow guys, so this is another day. Let's see. Are you ready for the reaction toward my sister? Are you ready? Oh, it's an incredible story. You know, I done a magic with this toy, and for me, when I bought this toy, I saw like I'm shocked, man. I say what? But I thank God. I say okay, let me maybe bring maybe another different toward my sister. So she haven't. Okay, maybe guys, I will hide them. Okay, let me do like this. I do like this. Okay, when I'm going like forward, you see, no one will see me. No one will see me. This is where I'm calling home. Mama mekut. You see my sister is enjoying. Look. Yeah. Guys, she had no idea. Bembe. No clue, no idea what is going on. Look, oh, tunga piki. Bembe, pole. You see, she had no clue. Imagine. Okay, I will call you late. I'll call her late. So right now she had no clue what is going on. Anyway, let's see. Mom, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Uko tayari mom? Kana sujipake usumani umeparara.
Nilikuwa naoka.
I'm telling my mom to add. Guys, even my mom, she doesn't have any clue about this. Am I hiding back? But anyway, guys, it is what it is. Look. You see the reaction first. Because anyway, guys, I do this because my sister, she was friendly, close friendly. 24 hours when I'm back home. Maybe time changes when he went back to sleep. But on normal days like this, when I'm around at home, she would be maybe friendly. Yabon. Kuna nini hum? Usifungwe kuna nini? Shikuski. So shikuski. And she felt usifungwe kuna nini? Shika niambie. So I'm telling them to touch. Nini kikonda? Doli. Anakaeje? I'm asking my sister to touch and then to give the different color or to guess the color. Anakaeje?
Color jeupe.
They said white color. You are wrong. Guys, let me have a seat and then I relax. Oh, mom, tunaenda nje. Ndio kuna good shade. Come we go. Take a chair. Take the stool. Chukua vitu vidogo tuende. This guy today is it's not a normal day like other day. This day is another day with some different maybe toward my sister. Wewe usije ukapo umia afu lete shida. Shuka hapo kabisa. Oh. Oh, guys, I want to have a seat. Uko tayari? Kapa.
Kambe kapo.
Uko tayari? Are you ready?
Yes.
Ulipita mtihani? Guys, I'm asking her, did you pass exam? Say yes. But anyway, she brought us a good result, and thank you so much, because things like toy, maybe books, I'll give it. Vitu kama vitabu nakupa. Ule mdoli mwingine ako wapi?
Akudai.
And umulete na penseli zake nilikulete. Wow guys, on a video I was telling you that I bought my sister some pencil, and which is a good thing. So let me show you that pencils. One box full of pencils, and then at the same time this one here. I will never hide anything in front of my family. I do everything, but there's some maybe issues that are private, so I don't want maybe to put everything in social media. So something will hide which are not supposed to be analyzing in social media, but there's something that you can put in public. So like maybe toy, taking my family to the maybe a nice restaurant, showing how my mom cook. I will show you. But if there is something I'm trying to look good, maybe when I'm trying to look where there is a lot of sun. Maybe. Wow. So let me see whether here. Oh. Anyway, guys. So let me sit here because I want to have the sweet talk with my sister. Woo! I'm so tired, guys. I'm tired like a goat. But I decide today it's a blessed day. I don't want to open right now. First, I will show you recently maybe toy that she was using, a woolen toy, look like a small puppy. But right now, things change. Things happened to my sister. She was coming like that. Imagine, I'm telling you guys, I bought my sister one full package of pencil, and it's 24 pieces inside here. Look, you see this Shika, this pencil for my sister, and maybe in January there's some books, and then I will buy for her a small bag, and then we'll continue because she brought us a nice ulishaurarua.
Uliraruka.
Yani huu nikikupatia usharuo mudori ona
Itoka yenyewe.
na nali utoa ama mkamtaka muone nini kiko hapa ndani. Guys, imagine I bought next year my sister this is a toy. It look like a puppy. Imagine. Oh yeah, actually it's a puppy. It has some 2 eyes, 1, 2. They have ears, have mouth. Whoa! 1, 2, 3, go. Cap. This one. Aichukua hii fungu. See the reaction, guys. So the beautiful hair. And it's a brand new. It's a brand new. You see, guys, I'm telling you, it's written May baby. And it's have some shoes. Look, have some shoes. Have some nice skirts. Here, you see the hair. Usuna ushika nywele. Nice ears. Hey. Yeah? No.
Mbe, kumbe ne nkugamba chini.
Hata kumfungua nyuma aongei. Eh? Okay. There is another technique, guys. The way you see this toy, Njoni hapa. The way you see this toy, wasionekana kwa kamera. Simameni hapa. The way you see this toy, guys, toward my sister, it has some a magic toy. Okay, I will show you one more, guys. Imagine. Guys, you heard? I hope maybe it can't get me a copyright, but this is a toy, maybe has a magic. Guys, please, this is a toy. Okay, how do you feel? Unajisikia?
Vizuri.
Hakuna uchezea kwa nyumba. See guys, well made hair. Look. You see that reaction? Has mvalisha viatu vizuri sasa. Imagine, let me show you guys. These are the shoes. Look, these are the shoes. And then put.
Ni hata.
Mama valisha viatu kama za kawaida tu, iko chini kuja hapo. Hivyo. Aya, tuende kwa nyumba sasa. That's the reaction to what? My sister, you don't know. Alright. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a magic a toy. It has some different sound, but I'm not my sister maybe producing the sound. Na huyu mdori unamchezea kwa nyumba. Nikikutuma utoe nje na utunze. I'm telling you. So guys, I give some condition to my sister because she has some friends. Maybe she will take maybe outside and then putting some mud everywhere. Pull up down the trouser. And I will look maybe when I have some free time. Acha kufanya hivyo. I will look maybe Dorina. I went with this toy and then we make some different clothes on this toy maybe. And lete basi viti nje nikae. Guys, imagine it has some shoes. Mudori kono mkare na uretere nyumba gorenge. Aiki ya Mungu. Rona igusindo na achire nabo. You see guys? Wow guys, sorry. Okay, calm down. Look the eyes. Well guys, and it sit. Let a kitty akai. They're 2 in 1. They can sit. Weka kiti vizuri. Let me show you guys. They can sit. Hold for me a camera. Like this. Let me show you guys. They are 2 in 1. They can sit. They can stand. You see guys?
Yes.
And they has nice well shoes. Mama nishike camera hivi. 1 2. Oh. Yes. You see guys? Well toy. And that's the look this my sister smile. You see? Guys, let me put on maybe that sound. And it's these things bring some I don't know. But it is what it is. Once more. When you place it at the back, here. You heard? Just like you press at the back here, and it says well here. Kako mtoto wako unaoga. You see the
Aikara kwa mwana wa wiki kama oru mwaya yuko senigali. Kaimukia.
chukua mtoto ni doli ni yako. Job. Look the way my sister hold this toy. Guys, I'm so speechless at the same time. I'm so shocked with my sister. Job. Sanga hapa. Gaka hivi. Simama hivi hivyo. Look how my sister hold. Just like a baby. Mshika hivi unashika kama mtoto. Look. Guys, I done this for your princess, and actually my sister have a lot of friends. Wow, look. Look the way she was looking at my sister. Eh? Unasikia uchunge viatu siwaipoteza. Na huyu mtoto ndoli haushi. Unacheza kwa nyumba. Nikikupa tu mtoe nje.
Wewe mna mchanga sasa umuchafure.
Usiwahi mtoe nje, usiwahi muogesha, usiwahi mshika nywele. Wewe kazi yako ni kuchezea mtoto, ukichoka unaweka kwa nyumba. Unautunza irungu ama popote, hakuna mayataiba. Unaweka kwa kitu nakaa. Unauchezea kwa nyumba, unaweka kwa kitu nakaa. Usiwahi weka chini. Guys, I'm telling my sister, I give my sister some condition. Don't maybe to come with this toy, maybe outside here playing, maybe putting on the muddy place and all stuff, because it's unexpensive, and they bought around 40 USD. This toy that you see, and I'm telling you guys, but it is what it is. So my sister, enjoy. Cheza now, sir. Okay. Come now, cheza now. And see how my sister playing. Look. Guys, story for another day, and that's what I make to my sister, and it keep pushing me go far away. You will see that video, but I went to Kisii. I bought them and then I came back, but I didn't show you where I'm traveling, or maybe I showing you where I'm heading to, but I went far away. Wow, I want to end my video, and by tomorrow I'm going to purchase some tiles for my toilet. I think so. Tomorrow I'm 100%. Guys, I'm so tired. If even I can't go to my plumber, I'm so tired, but sorry for this. Maybe I'll go tomorrow. For now, I'm so tired. I'm so tired, and I feel so tired like a goat. That being said, but tomorrow, by God's grace, I'm going to purchase around 11 boxes of tiles, or 10 for the wash for the toilet. You will see. Let me take you inside, because here there's no need of putting tiles. Here is a rough cast. The only thing I put the tiles from here going other side, and here I will paint. I will apply some paint. That is it, guys. Wow. So tomorrow I'll go to purchase tiles, both toilet, this one and also this one, my mom's toilet, although have been closed, so you'll see maybe by tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much. May God bless you by taking full time watching this vlog, and if you miss these videos, go and check my previous videos. You'll get maybe motivated what I'm doing toward my family, and which is a good thing. I appreciate. I said thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly, guys. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. For now, I'm so tired. I can't go to my plumber, and I wish you a blessed day, guys. Bye. I love you, guys.